Dark matter is the thing that enabled, that provided enough gravity for the initial seeds of structure formation to coalesce, for galaxies themselves to form. And of course, without galaxies, there are no stars, and there's no planets, and there's no us.
For 9 billion years, dark matter orchestrates the construction of the universe. In these, the first battles of the cosmos, this constructive force is the clear victor.
For the time being, the dark matter has won. Galaxies continue to form, clusters of galaxies are getting bigger over time.
But dark matter's success in building up the universe sets in motion its potential downfall. As the cosmic web evolves into a more complex structure, gaps form between the filaments, the cosmic voids.
The cosmic voids formed because other, more dense regions of the universe gravitationally stole material away from them. So the dense parts of the universe accumulated more matter at the expense of the less dense parts, which then became voids.
And lurking in these voids, dark energy. Since the dawn of time, it's been waiting for its opportunity. Now, it's preparing an offensive that may help it conquer the universe.
In the very earliest times, the dark matter dominated everything. It was the big brother pushing the little brother around. But in the long run, the dark energy is going to overpower dark matter. And so the relationship is entirely flipped.
We used to think the fate of the cosmos itself depended on dark matter, and it turns out that's not the case at all. The fate of the universe depends entirely on dark energy.
The long reign of dark matter may be coming to an end. Dark energy, the great destroyer, is hoping to take control. This destructive force has one overriding aim: to tear the universe apart. In 1999, scientists measure the expansion of the universe. What they find shocks them. They expect the speed of expansion to be decreasing. In fact, it's actually increasing and getting faster all the time.
The data indicate that for about the first 9 billion years, it was slowing down. But then in the past 5 billion years, it started accelerating, faster and faster.
Alex Filipinko was part of the team that made this explosive discovery.
It befuddled us. This isn't how nature was supposed to be behaving. And in fact, initially, we thought that there was something wrong with either the observations or the measurements.
Dark energy is the repulsive force, pushing things apart. It prefers the voids, where gravity is weak.
These are areas where there's a lot less dark matter. And because the overall density is low, that's where the dark energy starts to peak out and can really drive those voids to expand.
So the expansion and acceleration of the universe are driven by the dark energy in those regions.
Dark energy pushes things apart. Things that get in its way. Things like the cosmic web. Dark matter and normal matter are also in its path and are bulldozed out across the cosmos. Slowly but surely, the balance between dark energy and dark matter is changing.
Imagine you have a giant swimming pool, and at the very bottom there's a puddle of water with a splash of whiskey. So you have sort of a strong whiskey drink down at the bottom of your pool. But now you start dumping water into your pool, no more whiskey, and it begins to get diluted, and eventually you just have a swimming pool full of water with one shot of whiskey mixed in. That's not a very strong drink. It's basically a water swimming pool. That's pretty much what's happening with the dark energy. At first, it's a one-to-one mixture of dark matter and dark energy, but in the long run, it's all dark energy and pretty much no dark matter left over.
The forces of dark energy are on an unstoppable march, picking up more and more power from the vast scale of the cosmic voids.
Dark energy is intrinsically very weak. There's very little dark energy in this repulsive effect in every cubic centimeter. But the universe is vast, space is big. So cumulatively, all this small amount of stuff adds up to a very large amount, and over a scale encompassing the entire universe, the dark energy dominates.
But it's been a very long process. After the Big Bang, dark matter dominates for the first 9 billion years. Then, 5 billion years ago, dark energy starts to get the upper hand. It causes the expansion of the universe to accelerate and the space in the voids to grow more rapidly.
As this space expands, there's more and more dark energy because you have a bigger space. It sort of creates itself with the expansion of space.
Dark energy has a sneaky way of taking over because it causes the space to stretch out and get twice as big, so now there's twice as much dark energy.
Dark energy just can't stop pushing, causing the empty space of the voids to continuously expand.
As the universe expands because of dark energy, more and more dark energy is being created.
Dark energy is definitely gaining the upper hand on dark matter.
It was always there, but it took over compared to other stuff.
Eventually, creating enough energy to supercharge the expansion of the universe. This acceleration continues. The universe is getting bigger and bigger, and it's all powered by the forces of repulsion, dark energy. And for the universe, that could be very bad news.